Did you know that trying harder often makes everything worse? 2,500 years ago, the founder of Taoism discovered something that completely flips our understanding of effort. He called it Wu Wei, or effortless action. The more you force sleep, the more awake you stay. The more desperate you are for love, the more you repel potential partners. When managers micromanage employees, creativity dies instantly. This ancient wisdom seems backwards, but it works. Today's Silicon Valley leaders swear by this principle. They've learned that stepping back often creates breakthrough moments. When you stop forcing solutions, the right answers appear naturally. Athletes call it being in the zone. Artists call it flow state. The secret isn't working harder, it's working with natural rhythms instead of against them. Sometimes the most powerful action is no action at all. Less effort in the right areas creates dramatically better results.